Hi, I am a Upwork freelancer Farhan Adam Chauhan, and I have specialization in web software engineering and particularly in WordPress technology, which is the most demanding technology of current IT world. And I will provide you with WordPress site designing and development if you need it. Further, if you require a fully custom website development, I will surely provide you with that and help you with that. And further, I will also give you time for maintaining it, because with over time your website requires a maintenance to get up to date with the Google standards as well. And for this, I have also presented and showcased my portfolios in my freelancer Upwork profile, which you can review to check my past um, website design and development work. So therefore I hope that you will like it and then reach out to me. I am looking forward to work with you and get your work done. So for now, take care, see you soon.